You okay? Hi YouTube family and friends. Welcome back to my channel, Nicole and my family. Today I have an unboxing. And it's from Honey's Handmade. Alright, so let's get in this box and see what I ordered. Since it already has a little tear, I don't need no scissors or anything. I just have to open this baby up. And it came with a thank you card. Inspect your package. Don't mind the kids. Just my shipping labels, how to use, the Fall in Love with the Fall line. And it's just telling you about, there's a shortage on some of the jars that they use normally, so they have to switch it up a little bit. And that's what that says. Alert, please read. So let's get into this box. So a couple of weeks ago, they had a sale. You're talking about Dory. No, you can't eat the packaging. The popcorn, you can't eat it. So the one thing I ordered was a chocolate detangling conditioning cream for the kids. I cannot wait to try this out. I also ordered the banana jelly leave-in styler. That's also the kids, one of the kids' line. Are you gonna unbox with me? And I ordered the creamsicle serum. That's also one of the kids' products for her line. So stay tuned for that video of me testing out these products. There's also one more to this line. I already have it. It's over there on the dresser. So you'll see that in my video. And a couple of weeks ago, they had a sale on their natural homemade bar soaps. Oh my god, she just ate it. Get that out of your mouth, Dory. This is not popcorn, real popcorn. Why do we keep having these popcorn problems in the video? Thank you. So, yes, I don't know if you know if I said it because I got distracted. But I got her hand soap for $1. They had a $1 sale on her natural hair. Oh my goodness. Stop, Dory. Give me that. Give me. Okay. See, this is the show, the star of the video. Okay, so I think I got all her the bar soap that was in stock. I wanted to basically, that smells good, try them all out because it's bar soap. So I got the cherry almond oatmeal. I got the masculine citrus scrub. I got two masculine, one for my husband and one for our oldest son Romeo. So they both can try it out. I'm not gonna use that. That's for the boys. And I got the, I don't even know how to pronounce that word. Valencia orange oatmeal scrub. That smells good. I got two of those. Why is everybody crying? What's the matter? Why I do that? What I did? Then it says, why are you crying? I don't know. So I got 2 of those, only because I really liked the name, the orange oatmeal scrub to Valencia. And if I'm not mistaken, I think Valencia is her name, the owner's name. Let me check. I got one of these cards. It does not say, so I'll let you guys know in the description box or somewhere on the video. I also got, oh my goodness, she just threw my product. I got the black raspberry vanilla bar soap. Oh my goodness. I also got the Yanni Pearl sensitive soap bar. I got 2 of these ones because, you know, you gotta take care of Yanni, and I want to see how it works. I'm praying it works good because I got 2. That smells so good. Wow, that smells really good. Okay, let me put that to the side. So I have another one somewhere in this box.
Really?
This is what happens when you try to do an unboxing with kids. Okay, my next bar soap I got is the Berry Berry Blitz. That sounds so yummy, right? Ooh, that smells good. Okay, this is the other one. That's the Yanni Pearl. They came in 2 different packaging. That's what the alert was saying, that some of her packages. What is wrong with you? You okay? She asked me if I'm okay. Are you okay? Yeah? So why are you screaming? Okay, my next bar soap I got was the Aloe Citrus Burst Soap Bar. Really, Dory? Here, hold that. I also got the Jasmine Lemon. Oh my gosh. Myoso? Myosi? I don't know. Some of these words are hard to say.
You're butchering it.
I know. The one that Genesis picked up is the Triple Chocolate. I just gotta smell this. See, it smells like chocolate.
That's like
it just
cake.
smells like chocolate. It smells like dark chocolate. I'm not really a fan of dark chocolate, but it smells good though.
I love dark chocolate.
Oh, blue. Look at this one. This is Cool Water for Men. So I think I got 2 of these, if I'm not mistaken. We'll find out. I also got the Minty Raspberry Soap Bar. Not a fan. Ooh.
So,
You can smell the mint. Yeah.
Okay, it's pink.
But it smells good because the raspberry is like with it. That smells really good. I'm not the mint like boom, hit me. But that smells nice. Ooh, look at this one. It's like multicolored. What I wanted to try, the cantaloupe apple. That I know they gotta be smelling good. I can't wait to try that. I think I got 2 of that one. Yeah, I think I got 2 of those. Oh, I had another chocolate, the chocolate mint. I'm losing where I'm at. Let me see what this is. Oh, that's the Aloe Citrus. That's the one I had. And I got the one called Dancing in the Rain. Really? Really?
She just snatched it.
For real? I got the pink scrub.
Give it back to her.
Stop scratching. Stop snatching. Oh, there's my other cantaloupe apple.
Another one.
I got 2 of those. Oh, and this is my other Cool Water. So I got another one for the guys. They got 1 bar soap each. So once they test it out, I'll let you guys know how they are. Okay, I think I got like 2 bars. I think she has like 21 bar soaps. You see, I have like a big towel. And they all were on sale for $1. Homemade, natural, handmade bar soap for $1 now. What a deal. I'm so happy I got that deal. And I'm so excited about this kids line because I can't wait to try it. So you guys stay tuned for my video for the kids line review. And stay tuned for my update on some of these bar soaps and how they work and are they good. Definitely on the Yanni Pearl. I think that's what it's called. I can't even find it. But definitely on that one I want to try and give a review on that. Definitely on the mint bar soaps, the cool water mint and the other one. I don't even remember. But I'm coming out right now because the kids are like all over the place. So stay tuned. Say bye for our next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Say bye, Dory.
And what's this? What's this?
Nah, she don't want to say nothing.